Begin the service by applying Cool Blue. Add 1 teaspoon of mineral bath to a foot bath. Gently swirl the water to dissolve and then soak the feet for 3 to 5 minutes. Perform a pedicure. Lift and loosen cuticle with a cuticle pusher. Remove cuticle with a curette. Cleanse the nail plate layers with Scrub Fresh. Apply callus smoother to dry calloused areas of the foot. Wrap the foot in plastic film. Wrap the foot in a towel and allow to penetrate for 5 minutes. Remove the towel and the plastic film and then gently smooth calluses with a foot file. Thoroughly remove remaining callus smoother. On dry skin, massage sea salt scrub over the foot and lower leg. For delicate skin, use water to reduce abrasion. Thoroughly remove remaining sea salt scrub. Massage intensive hydrating treatment into heels and dry areas. Apply hydrating lotion and massage until completely absorbed. Cleanse the nail plate with Scrub Fresh. Apply 2 layers of Vinylux color coat. Apply a layer of Vinylux top coat. Mist Solar Speed Spray to condition and reduce dry time. Continue the benefits of the prebiotic formula with daily use.